we have been talking about position time graphs for quite a while. We have sort of just begun looking at velocity time graphs. Today we're going to basically analyze them from start to finish. Okay? So lots of important information today. So we're going to look at velocity time graphs, and we're going to start off talking about average acceleration. And it says average acceleration is calculated the same way that average velocity is calculated on a position time graph. That is by using the slope formula. If you don't know how to calculate slope, you have to learn real quick because it's big, big, big. Okay? So here's the example, the acceleration for interval A. So interval A, and you've got them labeled, I think, right? So A is from 0 to 2, B is from 2 to 5, C is from 5 to 7, D is from 7 to 8.5, and then we have E is flat, and F is the last one. Okay? So the average acceleration of this velocity time graph for interval A, which is that bit right there, is going to be the rise. It rises 4, and it runs 2. So 4 over 2. Our average acceleration for interval A is 2. The slope of the line is 2. So I'm going to start the clickers. I've given you the answer to the first one. You really need to be able to...
Doesn't it have to curve for it to accelerate? Just that, like, constant?
That's a really good question. Let me just start this here, and then I'll answer that. Okay? The question was, doesn't the graph have to be curved? And that is completely true, but only if it's what kind of graph? Position time graph. And this is not a position time graph. This is the graph of the velocity. Okay, so it's not a position time graph. It is a velocity time graph. And here we can see that the velocity is going from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. The velocity is increasing. Okay, that's a good point, though. Okay, so I would like you to find the average acceleration for each interval, A, B, C, D, E, and F. If you need to, you might want to number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in case you can't, make that jump. You just put it in the number. Okay, so 1 to 6 is F, and then pause there, and then I'll give you the next ones. Okay, when you get to number 7, here's what happens at the bottom. At the bottom of the page, and I have a new version now, but you guys have the old version, where it says, when is this object stopped? So stopped is question number 7. Moving backward is number 8. Slowing down is number 9. Speeding up is number 10. And constant speed is number 11. And your possibilities are, it's multiple choice. Your options are A, B, C, D, E, F, or G, which means never. So interval A, interval B, interval C, D, E, F, or G is never. So now you can do 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, and then press submit, and you should be done.